For those who are graduating in IT at saka mga graduates na, this is for you. Ang dami kasi nag-comment sa post ko on how to start. So, I've created a 30-day action plan before job hunting. So, this is for you. Okay, so for week 1, choose your path. This is one common mistake kapag naghahanap ng trabaho kahit ano ina-applyan. So, try to pick one path inside Microsoft ecosystem. Pwedeng IT support, Microsoft 365 admin, Azure or cloud path. For data and security career path, meron din options. So, once you have focused on one thing, you'll have clarity and that will give you confidence. Week 2, learn fundamentals. Start AZ900 sa Microsoft Learn, SC900 for security, meron din ibang pathway for data, but AZ900 would be your foundation because by doing this, you understand cloud concepts, Azure basics, and Microsoft services. So walang coding ito and here you will start your foundation. Week 3, hands-on proof. Create trial Microsoft 365 account and then practice user creation, assigning licenses, resetting passwords, and managing team permissions. Sa interview, may real example ka na. And then week 4, that's where you build your edge. Create or update your resume or CV. And instead of BSIT graduate or computer science graduate, you can write there completed AZ900 or completed SC900 training, managed Microsoft 365 test environment, and simulated IT support services. Big difference. So now yung mga batchmates mo at mga co-applicants, pare-parehas kayong may degree at diploma, but you have a proof of skill. And now you have the edge. Follow for more daily IT tips.